Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a website for affiliate marketing for free. I'm gonna be providing you this exact template that I am using right now, and then I'm gonna be showing you how to use an AI to generate a unique and SEO content that you can use to rank in your website. I'm also going to show you guys how to create graphics and images within Canva. I'm going to be providing you the exact template that I am using and the prompt that I am using to generate content. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, product reviews, latest technology, tips and tricks. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys get notified every time I upload content like this. So without further ado, let's dive right into our video. Alright guys, so this is my website guys, and this is created within system. I'm gonna be sharing you this template. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video that way you can import this template inside of your account. If you use this template, you'll be able to promote the same product, but you can customize the website. You can customize these products right here. So this comes with this product that I promote right now as an affiliate marketer. So I have this ebook creator, I have this GetResponse right here, and I have this other offer right here. Just like I said, I have a link below this video if you wanted to use this exact template. Once you click on the link, it will take you that in this page right here. Now I connected my custom domain right here. You don't have to do that. You don't need to connect a custom domain. You can use a free subdomain. But if you really wanted to take your affiliate marketing business seriously to the next level, then you need to purchase a custom domain. I use domains, or I use Google domain to buy my domain, but you can use any kind of domain registrar. But once you click on that link below the video, it will take you that into this page right here, and all you have to do is to click on the blog that you've created right here. So this is my blog. So this is where you customize your website, right? So you can customize the blog layout, you can customize the blog settings, and you can customize, or you can create your own blog posts or posts and pages like about us page, contact us page, homepage, and then you can also create your own category. So as you can see, I have my own category. I have softwares, courses, and for affiliate marketers. But if you are in different niche, let's say you're in health and fitness niche, then you can create your own categories right here based on your niche, right? So you can also create pages like homepage, about us page, and contact us page. So I have homepage, about us, and contact page right here. Now to customize your page, so all you have to do is to click on the pages right here. So let's say you wanted to customize the home page, but before you do that, I need you guys to click on, there's a blog layout right here, because this is where you customize your the layout of your blog. You basically customize your logo right here, and then this navigation right here, and then this social share icon right here, right? And then the footer section, you can also put your social icons right here. You can link your different kind of social media account, and then this navigation right here. So you have that right here. All you have to do is to click on this image and then upload your own image right here. Now I'm not gonna show you how to create a logo. You can easily do that using Canva, but I basically hire someone to create my logo. So this is a professionally designed logo. This is a monochrome design logo, but you can create your logo inside of Canva, and all you have to do is to upload that logo right here. Choose a logo and choose an image, and then this is where you select the logo, and then click on that, and then all you have to do is to click on insert, and it will automatically insert your logo right here. And for the navigation, all you have to do is to click on this navigation items right here. Now you can add a brand new navigation. I have a contact, I have it about, and I have articles right here, but you can add in a brand new category or a brand new menu right here. All you have to do is to click on that one, and add in the title of that menu, and then just link that in the custom URL, and you can link that to different kind of website or into your other pages as well. So I'm just gonna remove this one because I don't need to create this. I just wanted to have an article, a contact us, and an about us menu or page right here. So what I can do now once I'm happy with, and you can also customize this call to action right here. I have the two call to actions right here, which an offer that I promote. So this is one of my free affiliate marketing course, and then this is the 90-minute affiliate challenge. If you wanted to join the 90-minute affiliate challenge, I have a case study. I'm gonna be showing you that case study in my next video, so you can customize your own offer right here. If you promote other product, then you can put your own uh, call to action right here. You can click on this one and put your affiliate link right here. So I have my affiliate link right here, and then I have my link for my course right here. But you can put your own call to action and change this image or icon right here into your image. You can also use Canva to create an image right here. You can use the same color. I have a branding, so I am really consistent about my branding right here. So I have these colors right here. So I'm consistent with my design right here. So once you're happy with all those changes, all you have to do is to click on save the changes. That would be the format of your website. When you click on the eye icon, it will take you this format or this layout of your website. So you have this logo, navigation, social icons, and then the content of your website. Then you have this footer section right here. You can change everything right here. All right, so that's how you would customize your layout or your blog post layout. Now, another thing that you need to do is need to go to blog settings, change your website name. So this is, by the way, you connect your custom domain. So this is where you choose a domain. But once you created your account, you'll be able to get your subdomain, something like this, gr that system.io, or you can use a custom domain right here. But you need to do that inside of your setting. I'm going to be showing you how to connect your custom domain in the next video. But I actually have a video tutorial on how to connect your custom domain inside of system.io. I'm going to put a link down in the description of this video if you wanted to do that. All right. So once you edited your layout and then your blog settings, then you can start now creating your post. So I have three posts right here. So this is the article that I created because I just created this website like 2 weeks ago, and I haven't posted the content yet. But I'm gonna be showing you how to uh, create posts and how to use an AI to generate content. So I have a blog post right here, guys. So let's say this one right here. This is a scribble review. This is a product from ClickBank. All we can do is we can take a look at this one by click on this view icon. It will let you view this post. So this is the layout of that post. I have a title right here. I have featured image. I have this introduction, and this is generated. This content is generated using an AI. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I have the pros and cons right here. I have H2 tags right here, and I also have a call to action right here. If anyone click on this, it will take this to the official website of the Scribble, and I have my affiliate link right here, right? So that's the structure of our blog post, and I also included some extra bonuses right here. All right, now you don't need to create a brand new post. All you have to do, guys, is to click on this duplicate icon right here, and will let you duplicate that post. All right, so we have that copy of that duplicate right here. What we can do now, guys, is we can click on the settings right here, and then this is where we change the title of our content. Now, since I don't have a content yet for the 90-minute affiliate challenge, I'm gonna be creating a content or a review content about the 90-minute affiliate challenge, right? So what I can do is I can go to Chat GPT, right? So I have a Chat GPT right here, and I have this prompt right here. So this is a template or a prompt that I use for creating content. As you can see, guys, this is an e-farming review right here. This is this content right here. Let me show you that one. Right. So this e-farming system or e-farming review right here is created using an AI, and I use this prompt right here. All right. So what I can do is I can copy this one. All right, and then I can click on new chat, and then I can paste that one right here. And since I am creating a content about the 90-minute affiliate challenge, I can go to this title name right here. So This is my offer. I can go right here, and all I have to do now is to change this thing right here. Change this one into the 90-minute affiliate challenge. I'm gonna paste this as plain text right here. So we have the 90-minute affiliate challenge right here. So I have this uh, prompt right here that I can use to create an SEO optimized content. So what I can do is I can click on the submit icon. Now I'm gonna wait till ChatGPT finish creating as our content. I'm gonna post this video and come back once it's done. You can see guys, ChatGPT provided us this content right here. So I have this title, I have this introduction right here, I have this what is the 90-minute affiliate challenge, I have the pros and cons right here. Alright, so what I can do now is I can copy this entire article, right? And then I'm gonna go to website Quailbo. This is gonna let me paraphrase this entire article. So I'll remove this last one right here, and then I can click on paraphrase right here. Right, so as you see guys, Quailbo provided as this brand new content, but you can, use one of the suggestion right here, right? So I can just copy this brand new content, and then I can go to Grammarly. Grammarly is going to help me fix some grammar issues of this article. So I can paste this one right here. As you can see guys, the overall score is 78. Then you can use one of the suggestion right here. You can click on this one, it will automatically provide you the suggestion. You can click on to add an hyphen. You can click on this one right here. You can click on this suggestion right here. Then you can click on this keyword that has this underline. You can click on this one, and it will automatically provide you these suggestions right here, and it will fix your the grammar of your article. As you can see, the overall score is 80. So what you can do, guys, is you go through all of the keyword that has underline right here and fix this error. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this content, and then I can now go to a document. Then I'm gonna paste the article right here without formatting. Right, so I have a content right here that I can publish in my website. I can make it bold because this is the title of the content. So what I can do now is I can go back to the blog post that we've created. So this is the content right here. What we can do is we can copy this title, and then we can post the title right here, and then we can put in a short description. We can, just copy that title right here, and then this URL path. So I'm just gonna put in the 90-minute affiliate challenge review. I'm just gonna put that exact keyword right there, and then the featured image. I actually use Canva. I'm gonna be providing you guys this template right here. I'm gonna go to my Canva account. All right, so this is the featured image right here. I'm gonna be providing you this template down in the description of this video. So what I can do is I can remove this one. I can detach the image, and then I'm gonna go to Google, and then I'm gonna look for an image about the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Alright, so this is the official logo of the 90-minute affiliate challenge, but I don't like the quality of this image. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to, as you can see, this is my video right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the official website of the 90-minute affiliate challenge, and then I'm gonna take a screenshot right here. I'm gonna use a snipping tool inside of Windows, and then I'm gonna, you know, screenshot this one, and then I'm gonna save this into my computer. I'm gonna save this in the desktop. All right, and then I can upload that inside of my design right here. So I can do is I click on upload file, and then go to desktop. So this is the image right here. Alright guys, so this is the image right here. What we can also do is we can save this image into our computer. Then we can upload that instead of Canva, and also save this logo right here, and then we can upload that inside of our account. All right, so we have this logo right here, and we have this image right here. All we can do is we can set this is a background, and then we can reduce the opacity of this, and then we can put this in the middle. Let's try to put this, let's make it bigger. All right, so I think this should good to go, and then we can download this. And don't forget to change this, guys, with the 90-minute affiliate challenge. All right, and then we can download this as PDF or as PNG rather, and then we can go back to our blog post, and then this is where we upload that. Choose a file. This is a file right here. So we have that image right here. We can actually crop this one. So I'm just gonna leave this as default. I don't want to crop this one because it will lose the quality of that. And then I can choose a category right here. So this is for marketers. I'm just gonna untick this one because this is for marketers, and this is also a affiliate marketing course. So I'm gonna click on save, and voila. So this is that content right here. So as you can see, it's now changed into the 90-minute affiliate challenge. So what we can do is we can click on the article or blog post. So this is where we customize our content, right? So we can go to our document, and all you have to do, guys, is to copy and paste this content. So copy this content right here, right? And then go back to right here, and then copy this title right here, go back right here and paste that right here. All you have to do is to copy and paste all of those content right here. You can also upload your own video. So I have a case study video right here. So what I can do is I can click on my video. So this is my video. All right, so this is my video. So I can click on share this video, copy the link address, can go back right here. I can paste my review right here. So I'm gonna paste this one right here. So I have that right here. I can click on save the changes, all right, and then copy and paste all of the content right here. And also, if you have some list of bonuses, I actually use PLR database.net to find some bonuses that I can give away. If you don't have product to give away, then you can go to this website and take a look at this product right here. You can get this product for free and give away this product for free, and then you can list those giveaway inside of your bonus page right here, and then put in a call to action. Don't forget to put your affiliate link right here. All right, you can go to clickbank or whatever product or offer that you want to promote. You can basically customize this with your offer. All right, and then once you're happy with all those changes, click on the save the changes right here, and click on exit the page, and then you can now publish your content by clicking on this publish icon right here. All right, and as you can see, our content has this check mark right here. So all we can do is we can view our content. So we have this title, and we have this featured image right here, and then the content of the article, right? So that's pretty much it. That's how you would create a website, and you can use my template. Just like I said, I have a link below this video. All of the resources is in the description of this video if you wanted to use this. Yes, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanted to join the 90-minute affiliate challenge, I actually have a brand new case study of the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Let me show you that brand new case study right here. So when I wake up this morning, I make a commission of $59 right now without promoting the 90-minute affiliate challenge, right? So if you wanted to join and make money on complete autopilot even while asleep, once you have your automated system running, then you can start making money with the 90-minute affiliate challenge. Of course, you're gonna need to take action. That way you can get results. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.